secret that Alessandro Volta discovered was that two different metals with a conducting liquid can give us a voltage. Now, what other ways can we do this? What other things have acids in them? Acids are sour, lemons are sour. Maybe we can do something with a lemon. Let's have a look. I've got one here. The secret is acidic lemon juice and two different metals. I've got a piece of copper wire in my right hand and I have a piece of iron wire in my left hand. Now, if I insert the iron wire into the lemon juice and I insert the copper wire into the lemon juice and I then make the connection over here, have a look, I've got 0.28 volts to 0.29 volts. It's actually increasing. Not the greatest design, but there we go. Power from fruit. A single lemon is a single cell, and that gave us about half a volt or so. It depends on how ripe the lemon is. Now, how can we make a battery of lemons? Well, I've made one. Have a look, see what we've got over here. This is a battery of 6 lemons. So it is a 6-cell battery. And to make it work, we have a copper wire going into the lemon, then the lemon juice, which is citric acid, a good conductor, and then we have a piece of iron wire. And then we connected that iron to copper, so the next piece of copper in the next lemon, through the lemon juice to the iron in the lemon, to the next piece of copper in the third lemon, and so on till the end of the battery. Now, does this have any voltage? Let's focus in on the multi-tester, and I'll connect here and we'll have a look and see what kind of voltage we're getting out of this. I can see 5.27, 5.26, 5.25, around about 5.2 volts. Hey, that's more than I need for my cell phone. Here's a cell phone battery. Have a look. 3.6 volts. So there's more than enough voltage in my lemon battery to actually drive my cell phone. Now, before any of you try something like that, you'll burn your cell phone out. We've got too many lemons in our battery, so we'd need to take out 1 or 2 lemons before we could drive the cell phone. So what do you do when you're finished with your lemon battery? Well, of course, you eat the lemons or you make lemon juice. Now, let's see what else we can use. Have a look here. This is a potato battery. Now, potatoes do not have an acid. Potatoes are in fact alkaline. Opposite of acids is alkalis. And we have an alkaline battery. Same story, copper wire, iron connected to the copper of the next one, through the electrolyte, which is the juice in the potato, to the iron wire and round, and so on, from iron to copper to iron to copper to iron to copper around. And let's come back and have a look. 4.41 volts. If you don't like fruit and veg batteries, and perhaps we shouldn't use food in such a way, what about something else? Here's a different idea. We used salt water on our coins, on our voltaic piles. How about making a system using the same idea? And again, I have a battery here. In this case, I have a battery of 4 cells. We have got iron wire, copper wire, iron wire, copper wire, iron wire, copper wire, iron wire, and copper wire. And that is linked around here to my electrodes belonging to my multi-tester. And as you can see, if you have a look at the voltage on the multi-tester, it is 3.08, 3.09, it's bouncing around there. So just over 3 volts. So I've got a 3-volt battery here.